Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add a new phone number to Roblox. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official Roblox support website. So first of all, you have to log in into your account. If you cannot log in, try these steps for recovering your password, and then just go to account settings, browser, find the gear icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. So the gear icon should be located at the upper corner of the screen. On the mobile apps, find the three dots icon for more in the top right of your screen, and then just select the account info tab, select the add phone button, select your location from the pull down menu, enter the phone number and account password, select add phone, and that's about it. This is how you add a new phone number to your Roblox account. So if you found this video to be helpful, and also make sure you're above 13 years of age. Make sure you're above 13 years of age. And yeah guys, that's about it. This is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.